esophagus, and with this video your esophagus will be completed. So let's start with the video. The first topic is Zenker's diverticulum. Zenker's diverticulum is a type of pulsion diverticulum. Okay, and pulsion diverticulum, they are formed due to increased intraluminal pressure. Okay, suppose this is your esophagus and due to any reason if the intraluminal pressure is increased, then the wall या layer of the wall may protrude through any weak spot present there. ठीक, इसी को बोला जाता है pulsion diverticulum. Okay, then Zenker diverticulum is a false diverticulum. ठीक, first point हो गया कि it is a pulsion diverticulum, then it is a false diverticulum because only mucosal outpouching हमें इसमें देखने को मिलती है, whereas in true diverticulum all the layer of the wall they protrude. Okay, like in Meckel diverticulum. ठीक, then we have location of Zenker diverticulum. So Zenker diverticulum, Zenker diverticulum is formed from inferior constrictor muscle of the pharynx. ठीक, कौन सी मसल से बनता है? inferior constrictor muscle of the pharynx. ठीक, it has two type of fibers, oblique fibers and transverse fibers. Oblique fiber, they are known as thyropharyngeus muscle. Okay, and the transverse fiber, they are known as cricopharyngeus muscle. ठीक, और इसके बीच का जो एरिया होता है ये वीक स्पॉट होता है, एंड दिस एरिया इज नोन एज किलियन dehiscence या किलियन ट्रायंगल. ओके, एंड इट इज थ्रू दिस ट्रायंगल Zenker diverticulum protrude करता है. ओके, so in this diagram this is your thyropharyngeus muscle and this is your cricopharyngeus muscle. ठीक, and this is किलियन dehiscence या किलियन ट्रायंगल. ठीक, अब ये फॉर्म होता किस वजह से है? क्योंकि जो थायरोफेरेंजियस मसल होती है इट इज सप्लाइड बाय फेरेंजियल प्लेक्सस. ठीक, थायरोफेरेंजियस मसल इट इज सप्लाइड बाय फेरेंजियल प्लेक्सस, whereas द क्रीकोफेरेंजियस इट इज सप्लाइड बाय रिकरेंट लैरिंजियल नर्व. ठीक, जब इन दोनों नर्व के बीच में इन कोऑर्डिनेशन हो जाता है देन इट लीड टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ Zenker diverticulum. ओके, then it occur posteriorly through the inferior constrictor muscle or between the cricopharyngeus and thyropharyngeus muscle in the midline of the neck. So this was Zenker diverticulum. Then we have Zetsky rings and esophageal webs. ठीक, Zetsky ring they are seen in the lower thoracic esophagus. ठीक, lower thoracic esophagus above the diaphragm. ठीक, esophageal webs they are seen at the level of cricopharynx or in upper esophagus. Then Zetsky ring, S से Zetsky and S से symmetrical and S से submucosal. ठीक, तो Zetsky ring they are symmetrical submucosal thickening, whereas esophageal webs they are asymmetrical mucosal webs. ठीक, esophageal webs के बारे में हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा था इन प्लमर विंसन सिंड्रोम, जिसमें हमने पोस्ट क्रिकॉइड वेब पढ़ा था. ठीक, क्या पढ़ा था? पोस्ट क्रिकॉइड web. So esophageal web they are seen along with Plummer-Vinson syndrome and Zetsky ring they are seen along with the hiatus hernia. Then we have diffuse esophageal spasm. ठीक, तो diffuse esophageal spasm में esophagus जो होता है वो कई जगह से contract कर जाता है. ठीक, and due to which barium study में हमें ये as a corkscrew देखने को मिलता है या फिर rosary esophagus. ठीक, और ये point important है. Then the chest pain it mimics angina because it is aggravated by cold drink, food and stress. Okay. Then we have nutcracker esophagus. It is a hypermotility disorder. और इसमें क्या देखने को मिलता है? हाई एम्पलीट्यूड की पेरिस्टाल्टिक कॉन्ट्रैक्शन देखने को मिलती है, यानी जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होती है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा हाइपरटेंसिव और हाईली इंटेंसिफाइड होती है. ठीक, लेकिन बेरियम स्वेलो करने पर या बेरियम स्टडी पे हमें जो ईसोफेगस है वो एकदम नॉर्मल देखने को मिलता है. ठीक, कोई डिफॉर्मिटी देखने को नहीं मिलती है. एंड ड्यू टू दीज हाई एम्पलीट्यूड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सुपर स्क्वीज ईसोफेगस. ओके, देन इट इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय चेस्ट पेन, डिस्फेजिया एंड ऑर्डिनोफेजिया. देन वी हैव मोस्ट कॉमन साइट्स और इस पर डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन बनता है. The most common site for iatrogenic perforation is cervical esophagus or cricopharynx. For esophageal webs is upper esophagus. For esophageal ring, the most common site is lower esophagus, and for esophageal carcinoma it is the middle 1/3, and for Mallory waist tear it is the gastroesophageal junction, and for Borhev syndrome it is the lower esophagus. Then we have deformities. So cucumber esophagus, it is seen in Eclasia cardia. Then bird's beak या pencil tip या rat tail appearance, it is seen in Eclasia cardia. ठीक. Rat tail appearance is also seen in carcinoma esophagus. And pencil tip में हमने पढ़ा था Eclasia cardia में हमें देखने को मिलता है. But अगर पूछा जाता है pencil in the cup deformity, ठीक. Pencil in cup deformity it is seen in psoriatic arthritis. ठीक. Then we have corkscrew या rosary esophagus, which is seen in diffuse esophageal spasm. Then we have signs and the triad of the esophagus. First one is Mackler's triad. So Mackler triad, it is seen in Borhev syndrome and it is characterized by vomiting, chest pain and subcutaneous emphysema. Then second is Hayman's sign, which is seen in pneumomediastinum, which is found as a complication of Borhev syndrome. ठीक है, यानी ये भी हमें Borhev में देखने को मिल जाएगा. And Hayman's sign is a crunching. It's a crunching sound. Which is seen during auscultation, which is heard during auscultation and is synchronous with the heartbeat. Then we have Saint's triad. तो Saint's triad को हम याद करते हैं as HCG, where H stand for hiatus hernia, C is colonic diverticulosis, and G is gallbladder stone. So this was it. I hope you liked the video. Please like it, share and subscribe.